Okay guys, so let's just look at some exam style questions involving fractions, decimals and percentages. Okay, so this will be good revision for students here that are going back into school for year 7, year 8, year 9, year 10 and even year 11 guys, and even year 6 students as well. This is question number 1A. Write 30% as a fraction. It's worth 1 mark. So percent or percentage means out of 100. It means per 100. So the answer will be 30 hundredths. Okay, or any other equivalent fraction to 30 hundredths. So 30 hundredths, which simplifies to 3/10. Now the question doesn't actually say it actually simplifies, so I can have either answer. So you would obviously write down one of your answers, either 3/10 or 30 hundredths. Okay, so the word percent means out of 100, it means per 100. For part B, write 80% as a decimal. So a percentage to a decimal, I divide it by 100 because that's equal to 80 hundredths, okay, as a fraction. Now a fraction, remember that line means a division, so it means 80 divided by 100, and 80 divided by 100, the answer will be 0.8, okay, because decimal point moves 2 places to the left. Okay, think of it as 80.0, okay, divided by 100, okay. So decimal point moves 2 places to the left, guys. So 1 and then 2. Okay, so the answer is 0.8 or 0.80. Okay, either answer would suffice. Okay, and that's how to go from a percentage to a decimal. We divide the number by 100. Okay. For part C, circle the two values that are equivalent to 2/3. Now 2/3 is one of those like nasty like fraction to decimal conversions. So it's actually a reoccurring decimal. So 2/3 means 2 divided by 3. Remember that line means a division. Okay, and if you work it out on your calculator or even using the bus stop method, you will get the answer of 0.666666666, so on and so forth. Okay, so I'll write it as 0.6 with like a little dot on to represent that it's reoccurring on the 6. Okay, so that'll be this one here. Okay, and also this one here, this fraction here. Okay, because 2/3 is equivalent to 66/9. And the reason why I know that is because if you multiply top and bottom of that fraction by 33, okay, that, yes, obviously not very easy to actually notice that straight away, but these are what I call equivalent fractions. Okay, I've multiplied the numerator and denominator by the same number. I've multiplied top and bottom of that fraction by 33. Okay, i.e. they're what we call equivalent, i.e. the same as. Okay, it is not 60 hundredths because that would be 0.6 as a decimal, okay, or 60%, okay. And it's not 6600 because that actually terminates. Okay, that doesn't go on forever. Okay, although the other answers are close to it. They're not obviously 4H here, but they're not obviously the exact conversions. So 2/3 years. So memorize it, guys, in the exam year and in your upcoming year, like September and October, like your like tests and any like mock exams here or any mock tests that you might have or any in-class tests. That 1/3 as a decimal is 0.3 reoccurring. 2/3 is 0.6 reoccurring. Yeah, so it's one of those nastier ones. Okay, yeah, so check it on your calculator by doing 2 divided by 3. Okay, and you'll get the answer of 0.6 reoccurring. Okay, and these are just quick fire exam style questions looking at fraction, decimal, percentages. Okay, looking at grade 3/4 in this video. Okay, so some good recap, yeah, like, yeah, back to school, like booster type questions. Okay, yeah, for students that are starting school back in September. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care, all the best. Subscribe if you find this content useful. Drop it a like, okay, and also comment below any topic requests that you might have for Key Stage 3 Maths, GCSE Maths, and even A-Level Pure Mathematics. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care, all the best.